Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I will say welcome. If you are an existing subscriber, I will also say welcome. My new visitors, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to recover hacked Facebook accounts. If your Facebook account is hacked and you want to recover it, this is the step to take in recovering the account. First, you go to your browser. In your browser, you type facebook.com/hacked. You click on enter. Then in this segment, you have to click on my account is compromised. Then here, as you can see what is written up, to get back into your account, enter your current password or an old password if you know it. If you don't think that your account was hacked, you can cancel this process. So what we have to do, we will enter our old password, like the password we've been using before the account was hacked. So we'll enter the email and the old password. Then you click on login. You click on find accounts. As you can see what is written, you have indicated that your account has been hacked. To get back into your account, please identify yourself. If you don't think that your account was hacked, you can cancel this process. So you still need to identify yourself here, guys. The way you need to identify yourself is to enter the mobile number you use in creating the account or the email address you use in creating the account. So if you have the mobile number, you enter it here and click on search. If you have the email address, you click the link down, which is search by your email. Then once you enter your email address here, you click on search, and Facebook will start the recovering process by asking you some questions, which is your previously changed Facebook password. They will ask you some other questions, and with that step, you'll be able to recover your Facebook account. I can't go further from here because my Facebook account was not hacked. I just did this video tutorial to show you the steps to take on how to recover your Facebook account. So guys, that is it on how to recover a hacked Facebook account. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please guys, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.